Alright, welcome back. This time how to teleport to a very specific position. So what we're going to go ahead and do is first of all set up the position. So I'm going to use, I don't know, a torus, right? If we're in the middle of the torus, we know it's done well. Alright, let's do that. Okay, so, we'll make it a little bit bigger. Perfect, right? So we should be in the middle of that circle when we teleport. First thing I want to do is make sure it's on the ground. Remember, I talked about in the previous video, like, I talked about feet in the... Alright, so what we need to do is first of all reference this slot. So we're going to do reference and we'll get a changeable source of the torus. Then we can go to transform and we want global transform. We can plug this in and we'll get the global position. Now with the global position, we can do that setup from last time. Users, user root, set feet position. Put that there and then do local user root. So now wherever this torus is, I should teleport inside it, basically. Yep, I'm in the torus. Let's move the torus around. I'm going to use the inspector tool to do that just because I don't want to move off the floor. So now we are very much outside the spawn circle. And I can go ahead and call, and you'll see, hey, I'm there. Now, the problem that you might have here is with rotation, because if we do this, so I'm facing the wrong way, when I teleport, I'm still facing the wrong way. That's why you might want to combine this with the global rotation. So to do that, we'll go ahead and we'll grab set feet rotation as well. We can actually chuck that into the output there, so both happen at the same time. We will need the local user root as well. That goes into, whoops, that goes into there. And then the rotation is the rotation of the torus. So now when we call, we should face the same direction as that torus. So to prove that, I'm going to turn around, face the back of the screen, hit go, and then we look down and I'm facing the front direction of the torus. To explain what that is, if I reselect the torus in the inspector, the front direction, or the forward direction, is where this blue arrow happens. So if I were to go ahead and rotate the torus such that the blue arrow actually, say, points to the center of the circle, now when I teleport, I'm facing, again, completely the random direction. I'm facing the center of the circle. And I can move this torus around. Do know that if it's up in the air, that I will fall, though. So you could, like, I don't know, if you wanted that to be a platform, you could put a cube beneath it. Here's a cube. We can go ahead and... I never remember which number it is. There it is. So now I should be able to stand on this cube. So now when I teleport, let's just raise this up a little bit further. Grab this call, and when I teleport, I then land on the cube. We could parent these together and get all sorts of stuff. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and raise that into the sky. Okay, in a minute, dog. Sorry, my dog has just requested to go outside.